Alright, there's more. We got a mommy, and we got two little fawns, and another, like a yearling.
And then there's flowers in the back.
Made a noise?
Yeah.
They can fly and then somewhere else.
Something moving in the woods. I think it's our groundhog.
It is.
Yep, here it comes.
There is a groundhog back there.
Yeah.
Chloe, do you like the deer?
And the groundhog back there?
Look at the babies.
What?
I would say that's definitely the mommy. What do you think?
Yeah.
You hear that noise?
The mommy groundhog?
Oh? You trying to get milk?
Looking for a seat. There's your groundhog.
Or maybe they're separate. One's the mommy, another one's the mommy.
Possible.
Ew, big bug. It was on my hand. I think there's the baby.
They're going into the front yard.
Look, they all follow each other. Ain't that cool?
Except that one. And
The
there.
baby's like, I don't want to go. I'm happy up here.
Oh, her neck's bleeding.
Is it?
Yeah.
Who's it?
The fawn right there.
The baby one?
Yeah.
Oh, God. The one that's under the tree?
Yep.
Oh.